In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable language settings in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so your QuickBooks interface displays in the language you prefer. This is great for making menus, buttons, and prompts easier to understand, and it can also help align date and number formats with your regional preferences. Let's start right from the main dashboard of QuickBooks Online. Look toward the top right corner of your screen for the small gear icon, often called the Settings icon. Give that a click. This icon is your shortcut to many company and personal preferences, and we'll use it often when customizing your setup. From the menu that opens, choose Account and Settings. This area contains all the core options that control how QuickBooks behaves for your company and your user view, so it's the right place to make language changes. If your window is narrower, you may see a condensed layout, but the option is the same. Once you're inside Account and Settings, find the menu along the left side and select Advanced. The Advanced section gathers technical and formatting preferences. This is where QuickBooks stores the language control, along with other items like date formats and automation options. It's a central location for anything that affects how information is displayed. Scroll down until you reach the language section. You'll see a small Edit icon next to it. Click Edit to open the controls for this setting. If you don't see the section right away, keep scrolling. It's usually near the middle or lower portion of the advanced page. Now, open the drop-down and choose your preferred language. The list shows the languages available for your region and version. Pick the one you want to use going forward. Keep in mind that changing this setting updates the interface and labels you see. Some areas or third-party app connections may continue to show content in their original language, but your core QuickBooks menus and pages will reflect your choice. Once you've selected the language, click Save to apply the change. After saving, select Done to exit Account and Settings. Your QuickBooks view may refresh, and you should see the interface update. If it doesn't change immediately, navigate to another page or refresh your browser to load the new language fully. You can repeat these steps anytime if you need to switch back or choose another language. That's all there is to it. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.